Catch a glimpse into the future with the cutting-edge technology of digital twins. Imagine creating a virtual clone of any physical object or system. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's not. It's here, and it's revolutionizing the way we simulate, optimize, and predict outcomes. Harness the power of digital twins to create a mirror image of the physical world in the virtual realm. Construct a digital replica of a stadium to predict crowd movement or simulate weather conditions for an upcoming game. The possibilities are truly limitless. Why is this important? Because it allows us to test, tweak, and optimize without the risk or cost of real-world trials. The future is now, and digital twins are at the helm, shaping our reality in ways we've only dreamed of. Dive into the world of digital twins, where the virtual and physical worlds collide. Prepare to be amazed by the potential of this innovative technology. Remember, the future isn't just coming, it's already here. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of cutting-edge technology. The future awaits. Are you ready to embrace it?